Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your AR emojis that you no longer want to use. And I'm also going to show you how you can delete your AR emoji stickers as well. Because every time you create an emoji, it creates some stickers based off the emojis that you have created. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to delete both. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just swipe up and go into the Samsung folder and go to AR zone and then select AI Emoji Studio, and then up here in the top right hand corner select this little figure and it will bring up all the AR emojis that you have created. Okay, so let's say you want to delete this one. Just select the little trash can, select the box, and then select delete, and it will ask you delete this emoji. This will also delete any stickers featuring this emoji from other apps. So like I mentioned, it will also delete the stickers that you have, what have been created from this emoji, because every time you create an emoji, like I mentioned before, it creates stickers based off the emoji. So just go ahead and hit OK, and it will say emoji deleted. If you don't want to delete the emoji, but you want to give it a makeover, just select the three little pins here. And then it will give you the option to either create a duplicate or give it a makeover or delete. So once again, I'm just going to delete it. And you can just do the same for each emoji that you want to delete. Okay, so I have one emoji left, this guy. I'm just going to go into the AR emoji stickers. So these, all the rest of the stickers have been deleted because I deleted the emojis. So we're just going to check to see something real quick. So let's just go back into AI Emoji Studio. So I'm going to delete this guy and just make sure that those stickers have been deleted for that guy as well. So let's go back into AI Emoji Stickers, and as you can see, the stickers have now all gone. So yeah guys, that's it. That's how you delete any AI emojis that you no longer want, and also the AR emoji stickers. I hope this video helped you out. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video guys. Deuces.